enjoy yesterday with all my heart. It was Izimbogoto Day. It was Women's Day. Yes, it was Women's Day. So just hope you're gonna enjoy. I just hope you did enjoy with your families and your friends. And yeah, guys. So today it's Sunday and I'm continuing with the vlog. I'm not sure it's okay. Namhlanje kwenzakalani, but we're gonna vlog. Okay, we're gonna vlog and 6 semagunyeni and I'm gonna go back home. I will clean. I do not have much today. We will see with ilanga lethu lisibeka phi, because maybe today I'm going for my lessons, driving lessons. So yeah guys, I'll see you when I see you. Okay. Where do people find you? What is you made in terms of business? See ya.